Hello, ma'am.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm doing very well.
Okay. So, if I had to ask you, how do you manage your personal and professional life?
Um, I think it's a tough question, not only for me, for everyone else, because it's about setting your priorities and commitments right. At one phase of your time, the professional commitments takes over. Say, for example, with the marketing, branding, promotions partner to INVEC Women's Business Mela 2.0, you can anticipate the amount of commitments you have to show. It's been 15 days. Most of us haven't slept well. And plus, my family understands that now my priority is work and I have to show up. So it's important is, how do you understand your priorities, how you communicate that to your personal, the people that who really means a lot, and then go ahead and let them know what are you achieving for. And then maybe after this Mela gets over, I'll switch back to my family, go for a vacation and have another, some good time with them as well. Yeah.
That's really great. So, any life-changing advice that you have ever got?
As a brand strategist myself, uh, the greatest advice that I have, and I live by it, takes time. So
Yes.
yeah, and in your attempt of understanding the power of time, be human. You know, be human, be kind, and that's what has been making me, more as a human being. Because the business that I'm into, it's very demanding. You need things at the drop of a hat, but at the same time, you have to deal with people in a more human way. So that's what I have received this advice from my mentors, who takes every opportunity to tell me that, sorry, what things takes time. I have lived by it, and I've been living by it. So that is my life changing advice. Yeah,
That's a great advice. I guess I am going to apply that to myself.
please do that. Please do that.
So, my last question to you would be, how do you want your ideal home to be like?
Um, as I speak to you, I must very proudly tell you that we've recently renovated the entire house.
Wow.
We've kind of rebuilt the entire house from scratch. We demolished the old house, built one.
Okay.
Okay, and honestly, I haven't even unpacked my bags. So it's been almost a 2 years project that we did. We had our own, own home, own house, and trying to make it more ideal, more livable, more peaceful, and and I have always appreciated Utkal Builders projects, which is very home, which is not like living in an apartment or living in a hotel. It has to be like a home, very warm. So I would always expect my home to reflect my personality, reflect my taste, reflect my family's choices as well. His home is built with different members of the family, right? So my son wants his room to be this way, my parents want their house to be this way. So it's important, when we define our ideal home, we have to take everybody's opinion and come to a conclusion. You know what, let's let's live a house where we feel like, calling it a home, and we feel very warmth, so parents do not feel, so we've got the best of the best furnitures. They should not feel, objected. They should feel warm. It's an inclusive process. It's because at the end of the, when I go back home, I'll go back to my home with my family, so they